Hi everyone. In this next lesson, you are going to learn something that I call the shuffle rhythm exercise. Now, what's that, you might ask? The shuffle rhythm exercise is a little exercise we're going to do that is made up of all shuffles and steps and is designed to hopefully get you feeling the rhythm of what you're doing. So instead of just doing shuffle, 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 we are going to be really working on a rhythm that will go with it. Now, in this exercise, you are going to learn something called a double shuffle. And that, simply put, is two fast shuffles done one right after the other. So no pause in between. You're just going to do shuffle, shuffle. There is a pattern to this rhythm. And if you can remember the pattern, that will help you a great deal. So you want to think 6, 6, 2, 2, double, double, 2. I have my students say it with me in class when we do it. That way they remember what comes next and don't rely on just watching my feet or what I'm telling them to do. So what does that pattern mean? 6 means you're going to do 6 shuffles. Those shuffles are going to have a nice pause in between them. Then you are going to do a double shuffle, and then you're going to step. Then we go to the other side. You do 6 shuffles with a pause in between each shuffle, then a double shuffle and a step. So that's your 6, 6. Next is 2, 2. So you're going to do 2 shuffles on one side with a pause in between, then a double shuffle step. Then you go to the other side, 2 shuffles with a pause, double shuffle step. The next part is double shuffle, is just double double. So you're doing a double shuffle on one side, stepping, a double shuffle on the other side and stepping. The last part is a 2 shuffles with a pause, double shuffle, step. And you're only going to do one side. You're not going to do that last set of 2 on the other side because that completes the phrase of music. So it's not always about keeping things even between your right side and your left side. It's also about doing what is going to be correct rhythmically and in terms of the patterns of the music. 6, 6, 2, 2, double, double, 2. This is a fun one. My students tell me they like it a whole lot. They start to feel like they're really tap dancing a little bit. So let's move on with the lesson and give it a try. The next thing you're going to learn is something I call the shuffle rhythm exercise. And it's a wonderful little exercise for you to practice, especially at home, because you can do it pretty much anywhere. And it not only will work those fast shuffles that usually need a lot of practice, but it also will help you start thinking in terms of the fact that you're making music. You're not just dancing, you're making music with your feet. And this kind of exercise really illustrates that. It's got a very distinct rhythm pattern, and it basically fills one phrase of music. So all the shuffles in here are going to be fast shuffles, and they're all going to be side shuffles. You're going to start with the right foot. You're going to do 6 shuffles out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to do something we call a double shuffle, which is just 2 shuffles done one right after the other. Shuffle, shuffle. And then when you finish your double shuffle, you're going to step. Then you're going to do the same thing on the left foot. 6 shuffles, double shuffle, step. So that's going to be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle, step. Okay. Let's start from the beginning and put the 2 sides together. So starting with that right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. Good. After you do the 2 sets of 6, then you're going to do a set of 2 shuffles, a double shuffle, and a step on each side. So that's going to be 1, 2, double shuffle step, 1, 2, double shuffle step. Okay, Let's add that on. So starting from the 6, you're going to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Good. The next little thing you're going to do is just a double shuffle step on each side. So that's going to be double shuffle step, double shuffle step. Okay? Let's add that on. So starting with our 6 shuffles, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Good. Then from here we have one more thing to add on, and that's going to be another set with 2 shuffles and a double shuffle step, but only on the right side. So that'll be 1, 2, double shuffle step. And you're going to want to do the left side, but you can't. That is one complete phrase of music, so you finish it off there. The second time through, we start everything on the left foot, so you will even up how many times you're doing things on each side, but you have to do 2 complete sets to get through it all. Okay, let's walk through starting on the right side. If you remember the pattern, 6, 6, 2, 2, double, double, 2. So it's 6 shuffles, 6 shuffles, 2 shuffles, 2 shuffles, just the doubles, 2 shuffles. That is the pattern we're going to follow. Okay, start with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. But this time we're going to start with the left foot. So starting left, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Okay, so that was the right side and then the left side. Let's go through it one more time. Here we go. Starting right. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. All right, take a breath. Now we'll start on the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. 2, 1, double shuffle step. Okay, starting with that right foot, You have 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double shuffle step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double shuffle step. 2, 1. Double shuffle step. 2, 1. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. Double shuffle step. 2, 1. Double shuffle step. Okay, that was your first set on the right side. Second set we do on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double shuffle step. 6, 5,